Hello, welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. Thank you for watching today. So I have another grocery haul for you, and I thought I would share first what I'm making for dinners. So we're having mushroom pasta with homemade noodles, and then we are also having, for another dinner, we're going to have leftovers. On Friday for Lent we are meatless, so we're going to have bean and cheese burritos, and then we will have some sloppy joes. After that we are going to have some meatloaf, spaghetti, and then sweet potato hash with pancakes and sausage. So kind of like a breakfast for dinner thing. For Easter Sunday we're going to be having Easter dinner with other people, and so I don't have to cook on Easter, which is great. So I'll show you my grocery haul. So this is my haul. I went to Trader Joe's and Costco. At Trader Joe's I spent $13.70, and that's this right here. This is my Costco portion, and I spent $108.27. So at Trader Joe's, I got these old-fashioned organic oats, some whole wheat flour, some flaxseed meal. I plan on using this in muffins and in oatmeal to just give it a nutritional boost, some bananas, and my husband's favorite seasoning blend, which is this chili and lime. At Costco, we got strawberries, pears. My girls are really loving pears, and they've been asking for strawberries a lot. I got some asparagus, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're taking a break from rotisserie chicken. We're going to use one of these tonight. My husband is cooking, and the other two will go in our freezer. I got 4 dozen eggs. We eat a lot of eggs, and I like to put 4 eggs in my muffin recipe. We're almost out of rice. I got this rice. This is a white rice. I'm trying white rice instead of brown because I've heard that arsenic levels are higher in brown rice. And my girls have not been too crazy about eating brown rice. So I thought hopefully they would like the white rice better. We're almost out of coconut oil, so I picked up another big, huge tub. This is 2.48 liters of coconut oil. So this lasts a long time for us. We use it in cooking. My husband will fry in coconut oil, and I've started oil pulling recently. We got 2 more things of pistachios. No, we have not eaten up all the pistachios from last week, but we really enjoyed them. My husband likes these wonderful brand pistachios better than the Kirkland brand pistachios, and so I decided, since they were on sale, that I would buy enough. These don't expire until next year, so I thought I would buy enough to last us for a whole year. So we have 3 bags plus an open bag. And then these also were on sale. We really like these sea salt multigrain tortilla chips with all of these chia, quinoa, millet, amaranth, and flax. They're just a nice change of pace from just the regular white corn tortilla chips. And so yeah, they're a little bit more, so I just get them when they're on sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to see more grocery hauls. I like to post a grocery haul every week on Thursdays, and on Monday I post my other videos. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.